शोले याद है? गाँव गाँव जब बच्चा रोता था, माँ कहती थी सो जा, नहीं तो गब्बर आ जाएगा। आज भी बच्चा रोता है, सिर्फ माँ कहती है सो जा, नहीं तो कोरोना आ जाएगा। लोग कहते हैं डरो ना, लेकिन पूरे विश्व में छा गया है कोरोना।
Now, what is coronavirus? Corona is a family of viruses that causes respiratory and digestive illness in mammals and birds. Since its discovery in 1930, these viruses have mutated as a spillover from animal to human over times, namely B814, 2290 in mid-60s, SARS-CoV in 2003, and MERS-CoV in 2012. In December 2019, in the wet market of the capital city of Wuhan of China's Hubei province, spillover of a new strain occurred. A large pleomorphic cell enveloped with bilayers of lipid with a positive sense single-stranded RNA genome and a nucleocapsid of helical symmetry. The genome size is 26 to 32 kilobases, largest among RNA viruses. They have characteristic club-shaped spikes projecting out of their surface. In electron micrographs, this image reminisces of solar corona, from which the name is originated. Coronavirus infects a living cell in order to reproduce. Inside the virus, genetic materials are eager to make more copies of itself. The outside protein shell acts as a shield, and protein spikes on the lipid membrane attack foreign cells. Sneeze and cough of infected persons spread the virus via air or via through surfaces. It would infect a new person and enter his nose, mouth, or eyes. It affects nose, throat, and lung cells. One of its spikes connect to the cell's receptor molecules. As a key and lock action, this action helps virus to go inside body cell. Ribosome creates viral protein as new spikes which gather beneath the body cell and gives birth of a new virus like this. It replicates. It gives symptoms like short of breath, chest pain, dry cough, fever, and chills. In acute cases, serious disorder of lung cells may enforce patients for artificial breathing through ventilators. WHO termed it as COVID-19 disease outbreak, and it has symptomatic and asymptomatic patients. Viral outbreak transcends from endemic to epidemic to pandemic. Severity of pandemic depends on its virulence, measured by case fatality rate, CFR, its contagion, measured by basic reproduction number, R0. Penning, Yedbrek, and Ogbunu could statistically interpret impact of pandemic is a factor of case fatality rate, CFR, and basic reproduction number, R0. Case fatality rate is a ratio between number of deaths and number of infected. Basic reproduction number R0 is the number of people get directly infected by one infected person. Here R0 is 2. Now, expanding the equation, impact of pandemic depends on number of deaths, number of infected, virus infection period, susceptible targets, and chances of infection. Case fatality rate depends on human immunity, medical care facility, and pre-health condition. Chance of infection is a factor of hand hygiene, face mask, or oral hygiene. Susceptible targets can be diminished by practicing social distancing and lockdown. Practicing these social, hygiene, and lifestyle orders would break viral chain of transmission and slow the outbreak. That would reduce number of sick people at any point of time, making available medical care facilities accessible for each patient. It would reduce CFR and flatten the curve. 11th March 2020, when 81 countries had not reported any cases and 57 countries had reported cases below 10. Dr. Tedros, Director General of WHO, tweeted, "If countries detect, test, treat, isolate, trace, and mobilize their people in the response, can prevent handful of cases becoming clusters and those clusters becoming community transmission." Case fatality rates are different between countries. The blue curve shows it varies from 15% in Belgium to below 1% in Russia. The orange curve of testing percentage shows it is inversely correlated to CFR. Europe responded late to the pandemic. After the third death of its citizens, key European countries took 14 days to shut schools and non-essential shops and malls, more than a week to suspend events, and 10 days to seize borders. Absolute numbers of death, recovery, and present active cases talked up huge for US and European countries, but to analyze, we need to see it as a factor of population. Now, deaths per million and surviving infected per million have changed the entire outlook. Severity of pandemic is clearly reflected here in the basis of case fatality and reproduction number. 4 different sets of countries emerge from that. Plotting basic reproduction number in y-axis increasing upward and case fatality rate in x-axis increasing rightward, we get a regular 2 into 2 matrix. USA, Spain, Italy, Belgium and Switzerland come in top right corner where CFR and R0 both remain high. They were late in seizing borders, they delayed executing lockdown, hampering social distancing. Their kinesthetic social habits helped spreading. France, Portugal, UK and Netherlands come in below right corner where CFR is high, but R0 remains low. They have also delayed seizing borders and executing lockdown. Initially, low testing hampered their cluster containment. Germany was an exception. They ramped up testing and tightened lockdown to have a low CFR. Turkey, Ecuador, Canada, Iran, Peru and Russia come in top left corner where CFR is low but R0 is high. Their weak economy enforced them for a graded lockdown. Initial limitations of testing kits and improper tracing mechanism expedite a silent spread. After China, South Korea, Japan, Brazil and India come to below left corner where CFR and R0 both remain low. Early seizing of international borders, timely lockdown of mobile-based surveillance to impose and sharpen social distancing helped their cause. Non-kinesthetic social habits also resisted the spread. With population of 137 crores, population density of 464 people per square kilometer and 0.55 hospital beds per thousand population, COVID-19 outbreak appeared as a huge challenge in front of the nation. Prime Minister announced unprecedented nationwide lockdown which continued for 55 days. Across country, citizens-led awareness campaign flourishes. Use of railway compartments as a makeshift COVID ward. Making of disinfectant tunnel. Using garment manufacturing to make face mask for mass. Feluda, paper-based affordable test kit. Everyday life social distancing. Arogya Setu, mobile-based free app for electronic surveillance. India innovates in its battle. Death, recovered and present active cases stocked up for the country state-wise. The outlook differs when we look at the figure with respect to population. But still, case fatality rate has fewer spikes till end of April. Hence, government prepares for a graded exit strategy from a prolonged lockdown. Cleaning soldiers, police, healthcare staff, nation salutes our COVID warriors. They are our role models. Jai Hind. But there is a silver lining. Now when factories are shut, roads are empty, people are forced to stay back home. Nature reclaims its space back. Pollution level drops drastically. Air is clean, water is pure, sky is blue, the trees are green. The earth is rebooting, giving us a chance to adopt, accept and adore.
What a wonderful world! The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands oh,